Strands, the new hot game.
Are you ready? Let's step.
The new hot game on New York Times Games. We've got 8 themed words. Today's theme is, to put it mildly. We're going to fill up and use all of these letters, to put it mildly. So what you can do is you can put in words that are not part of the theme, and then you get to work up to a hint. But we want to get the words that are related to the theme right away. I bet gadzooks is one of them. Gadzooks. Lock it in. We got one of the theme words. Gadzooks. Heck. Oh, heck. Jeepers. Me. Do you think shoot is one? Shoot. I don't know what this would be. Let's leave shoot off the table for now. I see fudge. Oh, fudge. And then golly. I think shoot is going to be one of the words. We're narrowing it down. We got 2 more words. They're going to be big words, too. I know it has to end MS, right? Because there's no... You can't do SMD or SMS. That doesn't make sense. To put it mildly. Shoot. Jeepers. Golly. Fudge. Heck. Gadzooks. Okay, these are swears that are not swears. Darn. How is this one more word? Euphemisms? It's crazy. You found the spanagram and I used 0 hints. Can you believe it? That was fun. I like strands.